Quant is about to test a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. For those of you that are in the Telegram channel, I hope you guys are enjoying it as we are growing exponentially. But for those of you that haven't joined yet, make sure to check out the link in the bio as I'm giving all my insights and my trades in the channel for free. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Quant, we did see a very nice pullback opportunity after we failed to break above a key resistance level here at 144. You can see on the 4-hour time frames, we actually managed to hold right below that 128 support level, which I did mention is a perfect take profit area for those of you that were shorting. And for those of you that were in my Telegram channel, I knew that you guys were following along. Every single trade is posted in there, so make sure you guys check that out. You can see that right now in terms of Quant, we are trading right above these exponential moving averages with a beautiful breakout formation. A lot of you guys might be thinking that this is a perfect opportunity to look for a long position, but I do want to warn you guys about a few things. Number one, the fact that we couldn't break above this 144 resistance level, we have to consider that right now we could be looking for a double top opportunity before that continuation to the downside. Of course, this would become invalidated if we actually manage to somehow break above the 144 resistance, use it as support, and then a continuation. And I mentioned the fact that my overall target, as long as we remain above the 112 support level, will remain at 154. The reason why the 154 specifically is very important is looking at previous price analysis. You can see that this level, of course, acted as a very strong support level. We saw multiple retests of this opportunity in terms of support before that massive move to the downside, and this is exactly what I am looking for a possible retest opportunity. You can see that once we broke that level of support, we never really saw that pullback opportunity to retest as resistance. Instead, we retested the exponential moving averages and then continued to push lower. I have been mentioning this, of course, for a very long time. The fact that Quant never really saw that retest opportunity is something that we have to consider if we ever get back to that price point level. And as of right now, we are at that price point level. You can see that we do have multiple wick opportunities, and of course, I am expecting nothing less. When you have so many wick opportunities and the fact that you are trading in between these ranges, things tend to get extremely choppy. Now, in terms of the 4-hour time frames, we have to be very careful here, because if we do see one last wick abovewards grabbing that liquidity and then the continuation, things are going to become extremely bearish for Quant. In terms of the hourly time frames, you can see that we did have a beautiful continuation pattern. We were using the exponential moving averages as support, but right now we are really over leveraged here. Ideally, what I'm looking for is a small pullback opportunity back down to around the 135 zone, and then the continuation like we saw in some of the other cryptocurrencies play out today. But in terms of take profit level, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be the level of take profit around the 144 on the hourly, because of the fact you can see that we broke above a very key resistance point here at 138. The 138 level, of course, acted as a very strong support level, as well as the fact that right now you can see that we are using this level and a continuation. So keep a very close eye on seeing how this level plays out. Now, on the daily time frames, I wanted to talk about something, because you can see after yesterday's move set, we had a massive move retesting those exponential moving averages. I mentioned the fact that we could, of course, be looking for a possible wick opportunity around that 124 or even the 20 exponential moving average. You can see that buyers were eagerly waiting at this level right here. We saw that beautiful wick and then the continuation, as well as the fact that right now we are still trading above the exponential moving averages. This is starting to look more and more like a magnet zone for me at 154, because it looks like from the bullish case scenario, the bulls definitely want to try to take control of this level, and of course this would be a beautiful take profit zone as well. You can see in terms of the RSI on the daily, we are still very overbought, so we have to be very careful here, because if we do see a strong continuation, grab that liquidity, and then the continuation to the downside, things are obviously going to be very dangerous. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.